Everybody welcome. Today, I'm making a wonderful Russian traditional recipe. Soft, golden, and flavorful meat, filled pastries. First take 4 potatoes peel and wash them well. Cut them into medium equal-sized pieces and boil until soft once. Cooked mash the potatoes with a masher until smooth. Now add 200 milliliters of warm potato broth, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon salt, and 1 cracked egg. Then mix everything well. Next, add 12 grams of dry yeast and slowly mix in 450 to 600 grams of flour, forming a soft dough. Pour in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil knead again and coat the dough lightly with oil. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it rise for about 40 minutes. While the dough rests, let's make cooked minced meat and filling. Place a pan over medium heat and add 1 tbsp cooking oil. Add the grated or chopped onion and saute for 2-3 minutes until it becomes soft and fragrant. Put 500 grams minced meat into the pan with the onions, stir well to combine. Add salt and your choice of spices like black pepper, paprika, or cumin. Mix thoroughly, stir occasionally, and cook on medium heat for 8-10 minutes until the meat is fully cooked and the mixture is slightly thickened. Now take the risen dough and divide it into equal parts. Flatten each piece and place a spoonful of the meat filling in the center. Seal the edges carefully and shape it into a small round patty or pastry. Cover all the prepared pastries with plastic wrap and let them rest for 10 minutes. Then heat oil in a pan and fry each piece until golden brown on both sides. Crispy outside, soft and flavorful inside. This is a Russian traditional favorite you'll absolutely love. Enjoy and take care of your health.